We are live. Yes, we are. Hey everybody, welcome to the stream. So let's continue building this project. And if you're new to the stream, please subscribe to this channel and like the stream. And yesterday, wait a second, let me just check. Yesterday, wait a second, let me just. Okay. So yesterday we are facing an error that was when we are sending a file, it doesn't get uploaded in the database and gives an error. That was, so let's verify that error. cd backend npm run dev. This was the API for the uploading the file, and we are facing error here. So error was, let's just server get started, then we'll move on. Okay, now let's see. First we set the title to txt name to maths. Then if we just send the let's see, we got this error. So this is unexpected field wrap, so we have to fix this. Let's just first take a screenshot and try. Screenshot. What is wrong here? Let the AI do, and we just initialize, we just see what's the error is. Unexpected field wrap unexpected new. Okay, nothing in the structure obviously longer visible. Form data is correct. Uploading row file type extra text row. So if you get multi answer order, almost certainly one of this. There is another field being sent somewhere else in the request. A custom content type header referring what to check next. Remove any manual added content type header if a check in the code, and if there is anything fix that. I don't think we are sending something from here. Check. It's get automatically created, so this is not the problem. In cookie, sorry, we are sending from authentication header, we are sending the token, so we are logged in, but I don't know why this error. I fixed upload part, so no longer catch a strict field name match the source of. Let's just first restart the server. Then test once again. Title match done, and if we send, okay, it's created. So in the database, we'll get the PDF. Maybe we have written the code wrong, so we see URL path pending. Okay, this part maybe. Connect. Docs AI docs. Okay, we are getting this. So now we can so user can upload the PDF here. Then another part is this is done. Next is docs delete. This is the controller of the upload. Now I want to code the delete part. File sync multi documents delete docs. Okay, action auth controller, and from the docs model, the model docs route.js, we already have created the route. So in here we have get docs delete this one, bring this code, then async synchronous function delete this. So to delete this, we have to find the docs first from the data, if it's present or already deleted. So here async try id params, I have to find one from id, user id, if not okay. Control B and try catch block. So what we'll do, we'll take id from request.params, then we'll have a document and find the document from that id and user's id, And if we found the document, if we don't found the document, we'll send a response to document not found. If we found await fs dot unlinked document file url. Oh, if it's url, then this catch error, then document. Okay, all right. So first we need const id from request.params params params const docs is equal to await. We have docs model, so doc docs model dot find one, and here we have object, and here id. We are getting id, and user request dot user dot slash id underscore id, if we don't found the document, not docs, then we'll return response dot status 404.json. As you see, success false. Each message document not found. And if we got unexpected expression, okay, so if we found, we'll delete file from storage. If docs dot file url, then try h up await ss dot unlink docs dot file url, and if we got an error, we'll console that error. Okay, if we have a document, then await doc docs and docs model dot find id and delete id. Okay, and we'll return the response. Return a response dot status 200.json, and we'll send the success true and the message. else in the catch block will log the error and return the response. Okay, so export default. I want to test this in the host email. So API npm number server. Okay, copy a valid document ID. Example document in MongoDB. First, upload PDF using upload endpoint and database. Copy the ID value, the DWT token, login. Okay, the body raw, username, password. Copy the token from response, create delete request method, delete URL. Okay, replace in barrier token we have token. Alternatively add this, send the request. Okay, so here let's just create a function. We have a need of this, but first in the new request we have a delete and a URL. We have upload docs upload, and here we have in the file route id upload to get delete. Okay, we need route as slash and the slash id. So in documents we have user. I think we need this, and here this in the part nor barrier token. Okay, we already have set this, and if we send this, okay, cannot post documents. Okay, LangChain. Maybe we have to paste user ID, I think. No, but we're taking ID, it's not user ID. I don't know. Okay, let's see once. ChatGPT. DWT token, copy the token from the response, delete request. Okay, documentation ID, and we are giving that same ID from here, but it's giving an error. Why? Docs, if we send, cannot post. see here npm run dev, and now if I send, what is the error? No error hai. Okay, but this should be correct. Cannot post docs. I'm making mistake in spelling or something. In app.js I have docs, and routes I have /id protected. Okay, so if I send, wait, okay, maybe this is the problem. Successful file error is not defined. File error is defined. Check this. Sorry. Check this error. Checking controller. I found. Okay, that was the typo mistake. It was wrong, so the file detection is attitude. Okay, now let's try. Wait, let's restart the server first. LangChain, Control C, here npm run dev, and now if we send the request, done, successfully deleted, and from here it should get deleted. Okay, so the deleted part also done. So we have done this deleted part, and now let's move to routes get post list documents. Okay, and now let's move to list document set function. Okay, list document request, and from here we'll find the document from user id dot sort created at -1. Okay, return the response successfully, and if we catch the error, successful error, failed to fetch documents. Okay, it's a small code. Let's just do it fast. Controller, this list document. Okay, this one. Here with try catch block, catch const docs is equal to await bc docs model dot find user request start user dot slash id. Okay, and then we'll sort this dot to at short created at -1. Then we'll send a response return response dot status 200 dot json, and we'll send the success document length and document data. If we catch the error, we'll send the error message. Alright, done. And now let's test this. Here it's a get part only, and I think here I have to put user id, but let's first upload this one only. Error connected to the wait form. I have error something here. Okay, wait, asynchronous function. Yes, asynchronous, and then I think it's fixed. Okay, now let's check this once. Upload it. Okay, it's created and we got data here, and if we just list the data, we want user id, and if we send this, we'll get an error. Okay, it's not a post method, it's a get method. And if we do it, okay, unauthorized barrier token. And now if we send document detail endpoint setup but not implemented yet, document details endpoint setup, what? I think we should in list one slash it's just a slash, and if it is false, document not defined, server error. Document not data document. Okay, I think I have written docs, so here it will be docs, here also docs, and I think now it's correct. Server error, Control C, clear, start the server again, and then if we send success. Okay, I got the data. Then so this is correct now. We have created this, just mark it down, and then we have route docs. This is done, delete is done, and we have get document in document by id, update document. Okay, this two, get document by id and get docs by id. So let's start doing this. Now I want to implement get docs by id and tro in our controller. We have a function get document by id. Okay, we are taking id for params and already we are okay. It's the same thing we have did with upload thing. Set up the get docs by id and the last one update docs yeah. After this, we have completed the document APIs. So we'll okay, wait. You right side look at get method and okay. Let's first okay, done. It's created. Let's just see once. Document by id params. So in documentation route we have document by id, so we need id of the document. So here it's a post method or a get method. Get document and the id is documentation id. See documentation id, that is very token, and if we send, okay, it's working. And at last we have patch date documentation. So I think we have done with our documentation id. So we have done with the documentation id, documentation API, chat model documentation. So we'll from tomorrow we'll start working on the we'll start working on I have created docs API and use auth API. Now next, document code PDF upload. Next file, upload extra data and first PDF file, PDF as raw text and service. Okay, so from tomorrow we'll start working on the vector part, vector embedding and chunks part. So for today we'll wrap up the things and we'll tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.